Hey, hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing you how you can convert your photos into the SketchArt using your mobile. For this, you don't need any paid softwares as well as these expensive PCs to convert your photos. I will be showing you the free methods how you can convert these photos using your mobile. I'm your Sahu signing in and welcome back to my channel. Without wasting any more time, let's dive into the video. So for this, first you need to install the app called PicsArt in your mobile. Then open the PicsArt in your mobile. This will be the interface of the PicsArt. Then click on the edit a photo here. Then select the photo which you wanted to edit. I'm selecting this. At the bottom you will be having many options right here. First you need to click on this effects here. Then here you need to select magic, and there you will be finding an option called undead. Click on that and it may take few seconds to create, and here we go. This is not the final output. Then click on right here, then click on tools and then adjust, and here you need to make some basic adjustments to look your photo good and clean. For this I am decreasing the brightness to -20 and contrast I will be increasing it to 50 and clarity 100%, then saturation -100 and shadows 100, then highlights -100 and tilt. We don't need anything more to adjust. You will be having an option called retouch. Click on that and here you will be having an option HD portrait. Click on that. It may take some time to create this HD image. This will be making your image to be look clean and clear, and here we go. This is the final output. Then click on right here. After this, again go to the filters option here, select simple, and there you will be finding many filters again, and select the filter which will make your image look great. I will be selecting this. Okay, this looks great. On the top corner you will be seeing these download options. Click on that and here we go. This is the final result. This is how you can convert your photos into SketchArt using your phone. I hope I have shown you in the simple ways. If this video is helped you, make sure subscribe to our channel, and if you learned something in this video, make sure like this video. And every week we will be posting these type of content on this channel. If you are interested in photography and editing, make sure surely subscribe to this channel so that you can get a valuable information every week. That's all for the today's video. Let's meet in another video. Until then, bye bye now, signing off.